My name is Vitaliy Bondarchuk. I'm currently a senior mechanical engineering student at Bob Jones University. So what drew me to Bob Jones was the biblical aspect, the focus on not only your coursework, but just growing as a Christian person. So I think the engineering program here has equipped me for success by just creating not just a technical or maybe building on a technical aspect of engineering, but also the all-around engineering. So that way I'm able to talk to other electrical engineering students, mechanical, and just being able to understand what they're talking about. So it gives me a very big scope of what's going on. And that's one thing I've just come to love, is just being able to influence other people and just in the management side. And I already have a job lined up in that aspect. So I think Bob Jones has definitely prepared me well for that. And definitely in the future, I think a lot of the studies will come in handy, whether it's, I meet someone that's unsaved and just being able to preach to them and tell them the gospel, or just being someone's friend at a workplace, things like that. I think Bob Jones has definitely equipped me well for that. So my project is called a multi-tool prosthetic arm. Giving a little bit of background, I have a younger sister, Bella. She's 7 years old, and she was born missing most of her left arm, so essentially about 2 inches off of her elbow she has, and everything else is gone. And just seeing her grow up and struggle with very simple tasks, like she loves playing Uno and having to just hold Uno cards against herself, super inconvenient. So I decided to create kind of a multi-tool prosthetic arm. So it's going to be an arm right here, which will have a lot of different clips that can come into it. So first off, we have a Uno card holder. So this will slide into there. And then she'll be able to put any Uno cards in there. And then she'll be able to play super conveniently. Next, I have a plate holder. So she'll be able to put a plate right here. It'll lean up right against right there, and then she'll be able to scoop food without having to put the plate down and before she scoops. Next, I have a paintbrush holder. She loves painting, drawing, things like that. So I created this that has a bunch of different holes for different types of paintbrushes. So as she's painting, she can paint, put it down, and then take it back up if she ever needs to. Next, I have just a general clip. She's used this already for like a spatula whenever she's helping my mom bake, so that way she's able to hold the pan with one hand and then mix with this hand. And then another attachment I have is just a flashlight, because you never know when you can use a flashlight. So it's always would be something that's super convenient. I think I'd want to shout out my sister, Bella, the one I'm doing this project for. Bella, я тебя люблю. Спасибо за все, что ты нам делаешь.